All right, today we're taking a close look at Karpagam Institute of Technology in Coimbatore. Its TNEA code, by the way, is 2735. Now, whenever you're choosing a college, the biggest question is always about quality, right? You want to know you're getting a great education that leads to a solid career. Well, for Karpagam, the answer to that question is pretty clear, and it starts with a major stamp of approval.
Here it is. Karpagam Institute of Technology has 4 of its main engineering programs accredited by the National Board of Accreditation, or NBA. Now, why is this such a big deal? Well, NBA accreditation isn't just a certificate on a wall. It's a direct signal of high-quality education that's actually relevant to the industry. Top companies and even international universities, they look for this. So for you, it's a huge factor to consider.
So what's the college all about? Let's quickly go over its core identity.
Okay, so what we have here is an autonomous, self-financing college, and it's affiliated to Anna University. It was established back in 2008 and is run by the Karpagam Charity Trust, a group that manages several educational institutions. So you know it has a stable backing. And that autonomous status, that's really important because it gives them the freedom to update their syllabus to keep up with what industries are looking for right now.
All right, now for the really important part, the official seals of approval. This is where the college really shows its commitment to academic standards.
First things first, the absolute baseline. Every single engineering program here has the green light from the AICTE. This is the mandatory approval, confirming that the college meets all the necessary standards for technical education in India.
And now, let's get back to that NBA accreditation. The 4 programs that have earned this top-tier recognition are computer science, ECE, IT, and mechanical engineering. But the real question is, how long is this quality guarantee valid for? Let's check the dates.
For computer science and engineering, the accreditation is valid all the way up to June 2028. That's a solid, long-term assurance. What about electronics and communications engineering? Same story here, valid right through to June 2028.
And information technology, you guessed it, also valid until June 2028.
And to complete the set, mechanical engineering is also accredited until June 2028. Look, this isn't just a list of dates. Seeing this kind of consistency across 4 major branches, all valid for so long, is a really powerful statement about sustained quality. It's not a temporary thing, it's a long-term commitment.
So, knowing that the quality is there, what can you actually study here? Let's break down the undergraduate programs on offer. Here are the 6 BE and BTech programs you can choose from. As you can see, Electronics and Communication, or ECE, has the largest intake with 180 seats. That's followed by Computer Science with 120. The other branches, including the very modern AI and Data Science program, each have an intake of 60 students per year. And it's worth paying special attention to their BTech and AI and Data Science. They launched this in 2020, and it's built from the ground up to prepare students for jobs in what is, without a doubt, the fastest-growing field in technology today. So, if you add it all up, the college offers a total of 540 undergraduate engineering seats each year through the TNEA counseling process. Now for the section that matters most to students and parents alike. What happens after those 4 years of hard work? Let's talk about placements and career outcomes. For its recent batches, the college has a placement rate that's consistently between 88 and 92%. That's a very strong number. It means the vast majority of students who want a job through campus placements are getting one. And what about the salary package? Well, the highest package offered to recent graduates has been around 8 lakhs per annum. This figure shows the kind of potential there is for high-performing students, especially from the top branches. And the companies doing the hiring? Well, the names are exactly who you'd hope to see. We're talking about the big IT giants like TCS, Infosys, Wipro, Cognizant, and Accenture. They're all regular recruiters here, which means there's a very clear and well-established path for students to step right into the tech industry. Okay, academics and jobs are crucial, but what's life actually like on campus? Let's take a look at the facilities and student life. For those of you coming from out of town, this is important. The college has separate, on-campus hostels for both boys and girls. And yes, the mess facilities provide both vegetarian and non-vegetarian food options.
Getting to and from campus is sorted too. The college runs its own fleet of buses on multiple routes all across Coimbatore. And for train travel, the Coimbatore Junction is about 10 kilometers away. To make sure life isn't all about studies, the campus also offers facilities for sports like cricket, football, and basketball, plus a bunch of indoor games, and there's even a gym for students.
Just so you know, all the information we've shared today comes directly from the college's official website and trusted government portals. We've compiled it as of early this year. Of course, things can change, so we always advise you to check for the very latest updates before you make your final decision. So, what's the bottom line? Karpagam Institute of Technology presents a strong case, especially with its long-term MBA accreditation across 4 key branches. If you're looking for a reliable college with a clear pathway into the IT industry, this is definitely one to have on your shortlist. To see how it stacks up against other colleges, visit us at profsam.com, your true source for 12th to engineering decisions.